How to export video in After Effects. Make sure to watch this video until the end so you don't make any mistakes. Now, say for example, you are already done working on your project here on your After Effects. What you can do is just hit File and then click Export, and then we're going to go ahead and click Add to Render Queue. Now, here in our render queue, you're going to go ahead and click the Output module, and then you're going to go ahead and make sure to use H.264 if you are importing for MP4. And then for the format options, what you can do here is we're going to go ahead and click the performance and make sure that you are going to use hardware encoding if you had NVIDIA or any graphics card. Now for the bitrate settings, I suggest that you use CBR. CBR is going to give you a constant bitrate, which means your bitrate is going to be the same all throughout the video, and it is going to make the process or the rendering a lot faster. Once you've done what I said, just go ahead and hit OK, and then from here click OK. And you are going to go ahead and click this one right here, and you can go ahead and save this wherever you want. So make sure that you are going to select the right folder for it, and I'm just going to go ahead and name this one jogging, just like so, or running. And afterwards, go ahead and click save, and then go ahead and click the render button in here. And that is how to export video in After Effects.